Who are you, and what does your organization represent in the context of industrial innovation?
Hi, my name is Quentin Schmitt. I'm part of RMIT Europe. An organization is bringing to this consortium an expertise about industrial application of additive manufacturing.
Why did you choose to participate in the Diameter project?
Because we believe this project is a unique way to build, to meet on one hand technical application of additive manufacturing, and on the other hand the sustainability implication of using these new processes.
What is your specific role within the project?
So our specific role is to develop some simulation tool to be able to predict the performance of the product as well as the environmental impact of the manufacturing process prior to manufacturing the object.
What excites you the most about the Diameter project?
I think it's really the fact that the consortium brings a unique set of different expertise coming from academic people, coming from people assessing the sustainability of the thing, and also OEM bringing the final application of these tools.
In your opinion, what should Diameter achieve by the end of the project? Who should benefit from its outcomes, and how do you imagine these results being used in practice?
I think the real outcome of the project would be because now most of the choice to manufacture this or this are mainly technically driven. So what we want to do is to build the tool so that people would be able to not only make the choice based on technical constraints, but also based on sustainability constraints. So that in the idea that maybe it's a bit more expensive to do that, but it fits better for the environment, we might do it this way.
How do you imagine the future impact of Diameter on your organization or your sector?
I think first it would be a good tool to educate the new generation to think, like, as I said, differently of just making choice driven by technical or economical constraint, but also to have this understanding of the sustainability dimension should play a role in our technical choices.